Hey, I'm gonna do a bike check. I got a new frame, fork, and back wheel. Up front I got Mutiny Glam V2 bars with Colt Vans grips, Colt bar ends, profile push 48mm stem. I got an FSA impact headset, Odyssey R25 forks, G-Sport marmoset to a G-Sport bird cage with a BSD guard and a night guard. Odyssey 18 K-Light tire, animal peg right here, cracked it right there, but it's 2 years old, and a Colt peg on this side. I got a S&M BTM frame, 20.5. It's pretty cool. Feels good. Got animal seat post with a federal seat. Got United Metro sprocket with a 28 tooth Odyssey Bluebird chain. Nice plastic pedals. Oh, muddy. Profile BMX GDH cranks. S&M bottom bracket. G-Sport ratchet. 9 tooth left hand drive, 36 hole, laced to G-Sport bird cage. With a ratchet guard and an animal peg. Fit FAFK tire. That's about it. Here's a hub sound. That's about it. Got a new edit out. Not an edit, I got a couple clips out. Gonna have more soon, so subscribe and keep checking back for more. So comment, rate, tell me what you think. If you like the Colt or the S&M better. Yeah, just subscribe. Alright, thanks.